new jacket. It looks so cool.
Thanks, Molly. My grandma bought it for me. It's really warm and soft.
It looks really comfy. I like the blue color too. It matches your jeans.
Yeah, blue is my favorite color. What's yours?
I love pink and purple. That's why I'm wearing this pink sweater today. Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks nice. And your scarf is really beautiful.
Thanks. My mom gave it to me. I love scarves, especially in winter. They keep me warm.
Me too. I also like wearing hats when it's cold. Do you have a favorite hat?
Yes, I do. This one I'm wearing. A red woolen hat with a big pom-pom on top. It's so cute.
That's fun. I have a black cap that I wear in summer. It keeps the sun out of my eyes.
Oh, I love summer outfits. I always wear dresses and sandals when it's hot.
I like wearing shorts and t-shirts in the summer. It's more comfortable to run and play.
Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, and I love wearing accessories too. Look at my bracelet.
Wow, it's really pretty. Is that a butterfly charm?
Yes, I love butterflies. I also have earrings with little stars.
Cool. I don't wear jewelry, but I have a really cool watch. Look.
That's awesome.
Do you like watches?
Yes, but I don't wear one. I prefer wearing rings and necklaces.
That's nice. You always dress really well.
Thanks, Ollie. You always look cool too, especially with your sneakers.
Oh yeah, these are my favorite shoes. They're super comfy for running.
I love sneakers too, but sometimes I like wearing boots in the winter.
Boots are great. I have a pair of rain boots for when it's really wet outside.
Me too. They're perfect for jumping in puddles.
Yeah, I think clothes are so fun because we can wear different things for different seasons.
Exactly. And we can also show our personality with our style.
Yeah, so, what will you wear tomorrow?
Maybe my purple hoodie and jeans. What about you?
I think I'll wear my favorite green t-shirt and my comfy sneakers.
Sounds like a great outfit.
Yours too.